Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of fall decorations, and I'm excited to share with you what I consider the best green pumpkins on the market, the Whaline artificial pumpkins. These lifelike foam pumpkins are perfect for inviting that warm, autumn atmosphere into your home. Whether you're preparing for Halloween, Thanksgiving, or just want to enhance your seasonal decor, these pumpkins are definitely worth a closer look. Let's get right into what makes these green pumpkins so special. First off, the package contains 12 pumpkins, each measuring around 3.15 inches in diameter. Their unique vintage green color sets them apart from the usual orange pumpkins you might find elsewhere. This retro touch adds a distinctive charm to your decor, making your arrangements pop. You can use them in various settings, such as your kitchen, dining room, or even as a centerpiece for a wedding. Now, let's discuss the materials. The Whaline pumpkins are made of high-quality foam and plastic. This means they're lightweight and durable, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. You won't have to worry about them being damaged by the elements if you decide to showcase them outside during a fall festival. Plus, they're recyclable and odorless, so no bad scents, which is always a plus. One feature that we absolutely love is their lifelike appearance. You can easily place them in empty baskets or vases to create stunning autumn displays. The realistic look of these artificial pumpkins can fool even the keenest eye, ideal for anyone who appreciates high-quality decor. And for those small quirks that occasionally appear during production, like a bit of white powder on the surface. A simple wet wipe will have them looking pristine in no time. The versatility of these pumpkins is unmatched. They seamlessly fit into a variety of festive occasions. Whether it's Halloween party decor, a Thanksgiving gathering, or just improving the ambiance of your everyday home, I guarantee these will enhance your space. Consider pairing them with candles, dried leaves, or other autumn-themed elements for a complete look. To sum it all up, the Whaline artificial pumpkins in this vintage green hue are an amazing addition to your seasonal decor lineup. They offer a refreshing twist on traditional fall decorations without compromising on quality or aesthetics. If you want to elevate your festive setups, these are certainly the best green pumpkins you can find. Thank you for joining me today on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how you would use these green pumpkins in your decor.